Allama Muhammad Iqbal is national poet of Pakistan. He was a poet, a philosopher, a lawyer, and a political thinker. He is known as the poet of the East, that is Shair-e-Mashriq. He was born on November 9, 1877 in Sialkot. He studied at Government College Lahore. He got higher education at Cambridge University and the University of Munich. He earned a PhD in philosophy. He wrote poetry in Urdu and Persian. His famous books are Bang-e-Dra, Bal-e-Jibril, Zarb-e-Kalim, and Asrar-e-Khudi. He introduced the philosophy of Khudi, that is, selfhood. He inspired Muslims through faith, knowledge, and self-confidence. He worked for the educational and moral uplift of Muslims. He opposed ignorance, poverty, and injustice. He was active member of All India Muslim League. He encouraged Muslim unity and progress. He delivered the historic Allahabad Address in 1930. He proposed a separate homeland for Muslims. He encouraged Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah to lead Muslims. His ideas became the intellectual foundation of Pakistan. Unfortunately, he passed away on 21st April 1938 in Lahore at the age of 60 and buried beside the Badshahi Mosque. His death was a great loss to his family and the Muslim Ummah. His vision continued to inspire the Pakistan movement. His legacy is National Poet of Pakistan. His message of faith, Khudi, knowledge, unity, and the hard work remains timeless. His poetry continues to inspire millions around the world, and he is remembered as one of the greatest Muslim philosophers and visionaries. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe it.